This is not a toy, so please be careful. These are dusters to clean off just about anything. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, you need to cool yourself off in the summertime, dry your hair, your nails, even inside your clothing. If you got dirty keyboards, air conditioners, fans, lights, automobiles, wherever you need to use a small portable fan. Zawawa is 150,000 RPM, 40, 80, and 150,000 3-speed. Comes in a number of colors. Do check online for further detail about your product. And what we're going to do is unbox the unit. What you get inside of the JX007 Violent Turbo Fan. You get everything in here in your instruction manual. A nice velvet type carrying case protected by foam in white. You have your brushes, the turbo fan, additional brushes, USB-C charging cable, USB-C compliance, a lanyard strap, and your nozzle hoses. Plug up USB-A to USB-C and charge your unit for the first time. You have the charging light indicators on the bottom and they're in blue, charging. A product overview, which is your parts. Everything that shows you how to use the unit and what the unit is about. This is an air duster, a blower. This is the area of the fan, brushless motor, pushing the air forward in one direction by grabbing one of the nozzles and placing on. And they have here is tabs that lock into place by placing on and twisting, hearing the snap. You have the button to hold down 3 positions, and you have the trigger in the front that blows. And you can see the amount of pressure that's forcing the unit in number 3. Pressing for speed number 2 is a press on and off trigger, while speed number 3 is just holding the trigger down. Speed number 1, press the trigger short and it blows slow, 40,000 RPM. To get back to 150,000 RPM, it's going into the cycle of low, medium, high, high, medium, low, as you can see. So as we cycle through, we're on the highest speed, holding the trigger. The air is circulated through here. You can feel of the air unit cooling off the battery and the motor as blowing. The fan can be held straight up, and if we press it gently, you can see the amount of force that this is going to push. And when all done, simply hold, long press, and the lights go off. Inside the unit, some LED lights, one blowing, and you can see the LEDs light up. This is my keyboard. If you look at the keyboard, we got dirt in the fan areas, and we need to clean out. So we take a brush, wide or small. I don't want to bend down to grab a broom and I got my duster. Summer's coming and I got dirt all over. So I take the duster and I can get all the dirt out from in between. I have here all this dirt and I'm on a high speed. Woo, look at that bad boy clean. I don't want to take the blower out, but micro one. It's not going to grab everything, but you can see I don't have to bend down. I'm on the highest. You need to clean the microwave area. You wetted the flowers a little too much and you want to dry them or spread them out. So if nothing is pressed after so many seconds, the blower shuts down. As the garbage bag opens up immediately, It just about popped the bag if asked. And there is the separation of the bag right there. It comes with everything that you need. You can shut it off, put it in its little carrying bag, and take it with you wherever you want to go. Here's a Wow Wow portable duster for your cleaning needs. Enjoy your product if it's right for you.